This weight loss meditation is meant as a tool and only a tool to help you on your journey. Get in a comfortable position. You can lie down or you can sit up with your feet on the ground, palms facing the heavens. With your eyes closed, we're going to start with the breath. You want to breathe in deeply 4 times. Hold it for a count of 2. Then breathe out to a count of 4. Hold it for 2. And repeat that. So it's breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out and release all those toxins, the negative thoughts, all that toxic air. When you breathe in, you breathe life anew into your lungs, replenishing your whole body with the energy of fresh air. Let your chest just regulate and feel the rise of your chest up and down. Now see yourself in a year from now in a much healthier body, a much trimmer, slimmer body. Your face radiant with health. The smile, you can't get it off your face. You're so happy. See yourself in a nice, beautiful outfit you've been dreaming to wear. This is a year from now and you've stuck to your plan. You've ate healthy. You've picked healthy foods in healthy portions. Oh, you love yourself. You have realized that the most important care is self-care. Love. Self-love. Breathing deep. You are the most important thing in your life. Your health, mentally, physically. Look at yourself, the picture of health. Getting around, doing the things that you couldn't do before. The joy that you have given yourself radiates out, and others are just beaming, looking back at you and how beautiful you are. Inside and out, you have cleansed yourself, inside and out. You know that the universe has your back. The universe wants the best for you. And the universe is here for you. Speak of what you see your future being. Make it the present. I am so happy. I am healthy. Repeat this to yourself. Why am I so healthy now? Why is my life so good? Why was this year different? Why was I able to eat healthy? Why was I able to do my exercises? What's changed? The self-love inside and knowing I am one with the universe. The universe wants the best for me, wants abundance for me, abundance in health, wealth, love. Breathe deeply and feel it. Feel the joy, the love coming your way. You got to give that love to yourself. You can't expect it from others. It has to come from you and God. You can save yourself. You're already there. Breathe deep and feel it. You can buy anything you want now. You can wear anything you want. You can shop where you want now because you have been successful in your weight loss journey. You can go where you want. You can go on the adventures you want, the trips you want. Abundance is coming your way. Love yourself. See what a wonderful, majestic, powerful person you are. You are so much more powerful than you think. Know it. You can do anything. You can do anything you want to do. See it, believe it, feel it. It's yours. It's yours. Breathe deep. You are loved. You are loved. You are loved. God is love. You are a success. See yourself that way. Feel it and know it's true.